Hi, it's Mike here. I'm going to show you how to create an entire website in probably about 5 minutes using WordPress and the Elementor page builder. I'm going to do it on a Siteground host. Siteground is a hosting company. So I'm going to go to siteground.co.uk. I've already got an account with Siteground, so I shall log into that account. Put in my password. Okay, here's my dashboard on Siteground. I'll click on websites. These are all the websites I've got set up at the moment. I'm going to create a new website. I'm going to use a temporary domain for it, just for demonstration purposes. It will be michaelp103.sg-host.com. Continue. I don't want to install anything on this website or transfer an existing website. I just want to create an empty site at the moment. I don't want site scanner, so finish. It takes a couple of minutes to create the directory infrastructure and all the other applications around the website on Siteground's servers. It won't take very long. Right, we're done. So the site's created. I can either view the site if I want to, and I could demonstrate what's there now by viewing it. And you'll see that it's just a default home page that Siteground puts in place. There's nothing there apart from this screen at the moment. But I don't want to do that. I want to go to Site Tools and manage it. And manage the site. And then the first thing I want to do is install WordPress. And there's basically a one-click install that Siteground offers. Install and manage WordPress. I just want WordPress. I don't want WooCommerce as well. WooCommerce is an e-commerce platform, but I just want to demonstrate the site with WordPress. It's got a few config features to set up. So it's already got my domain name there. I'll put a username for admin of the site and a password. And it needs an email address. And I don't want to install the WordPress starter, so I'll untick that. And I don't want multi-site. Click install. It's now installing all the WordPress files. It's also installing a database, SQL database that WordPress uses. And it's finished. I could view the site. I could go to the admin panel. If I just want to view the site for a minute, it looks like that, which is the default WordPress theme. And there's a single post in the database which just says "Hello World, welcome to WordPress." So obviously that's not very interesting. I don't want that. I want something a bit more interesting than that. So I'm going to go to the admin panel. This is the WordPress admin panel. I'll start off by changing the theme. So I go to Appearances, Themes, and I'm going to add a new theme. And I'm going to choose Astra, which is quite a good general purpose theme for most purposes. Basically Astra and Ocean WP are the ones I use mainly. That's installed, activated. If I just look at my WordPress site now, refresh that, you'll see that the theme's changed. Completely different look and feel. Still not very interesting text and what have you, so I'll go back to themes. The next thing I'm going to do is install a couple of plugins. So if I go to plugins, install plugins, plugins are basically pieces of code separate to the theme. Add a new plugin, and I'm going to search for Elementor, which is a page builder. Elementor page builder. Install that. That's installed all the files for it, and then you activate it to enable it. I'm not going to go through this video, or I'll just close that for now. Go back to the dashboard. Next thing I'm going to do is create my first page. So I'll go to Pages. These are the website pages. There's 2 pages that come with WordPress, just a privacy policy sample page. I'm going to add a new page. I don't need that introduction to the block editor. I'll close that. I'll give it the title Home. And I'm going to edit it with Elementor. So I'll click on Edit with Elementor. This is loading the page builder now. So this is where you can drag and drop widgets onto the page to build the page. What I'm going to do is load a template to populate the page as quick as possible. Click on that. You get a list of all templates that you get with Elementor. I'm going to search for one-page templates. And we get these. So these are single-page websites. You'll see most of them are Pro up in the top, which means you need an Elementor license to use. This one you don't, so this is the one I'm going to demonstrate. Click on that and insert that page. I need to connect to my Elementor account, which is a free account I've set up on Elementor. So I connect my host to the account I've got set up. And it's now installing that template. Okay, if I publish down here, publish the page. Okay, if I go back to my site now, which did look like that, and refresh, you'll see it still looks like that at the moment. Now the reason for that is because it's not yet displaying my home page as the default page for the website. So I need to go back to the dashboard. I'll select W there to go back to the dashboard. Go to Settings, General, Writing, select Reading. So the home page at the moment is displaying latest posts, whereas I want it to display a static page. I want it to select Home, which is the one I've just created. Save changes. If I go back to my site there now and refresh it, there's my site. This is what it's installed from the Elementor template library. Single page architect site. I'll quickly demonstrate how to edit that. So if I go to Pages, All Pages, Home, Edit with Elementor, it will load that single page into the Elementor page builder. Basically, I can edit any of the text like that. Just click on it. That's the heading. Maybe I want the heading to be My Architect Site. Change the text there to be absolutely incredible buildings. Update. back to the dashboard, dashboard, click on that W to get back there. So I can either refresh my site there, click on that, refresh the site, which is the changes I've just made, or from this dashboard, if I select WordPress and visit site, then it will display there. So when I finish with all my changes, I just go over here, log out. Logged out of WordPress. Then if I go to the URL for the site, which is michaelp103.sg host, click return, and the site comes up. And there it is. Website complete. Thanks for listening. Let's speak again soon. Bye.